Hello, my name is SEOYUN and I'm from South Korea and I'm in grade 8 and I'll start my speech. We are in an emergency. We are leading ourselves into the extinction of our own kind. According to the flagship UN report on climate change, greenhouse gas emission rate from 2010 to 2019 has never been higher in human history. In 2021, carbon dioxide emission rate rose by 6%, breaking the record and rewriting the highest level in human history. Those gases will raise the Earth's temperature, melting the permafrost and glaciers. Studies show that if the Earth's temperature rises by 2 degrees, by 2100, ocean level will rise by a meter, eliminating approximately 10% of the Earth's population. Carbon dioxide and greenhouse gases are mostly made when burning fossil fuels, which are the crucial resources for factories. But we cannot just simply restrict the construction of the factories because they are the key to the economic developments. As the UNFCCC states, the LDC should first focus on social and economic development along with poverty reduction. Climate action and economic growth are the two things that I believe that can never advantage each other. As an example, when United Kingdom went through the Industrial Revolution, it is said that the sky of London turned grey. When the United States of America went through their Industrial Revolution, chemicals from factories went into the streams of rivers, polluting water. Unlike those two countries that was able to develop a few hundred years ago, there is a country that was able to rise upright by itself recently, South Korea. South Korea, after World War II, was going through some huge economic failures. In 1953, Korea's GDP rate was $1,072, less than the world's average of $2,329. But later on in 2008, Korea's GDP rate increased by 1,830% to $19,614. How was this remarkable change possible? People say that this was possible because of the human capital theory. Human capital theory states that investing into education will eventually lead to economic growth. By looking at Korea's succession of development using the human capital theory, we should encourage the least developed countries to follow the human capital theory, investing into the educational system. The key to the success here is to teach youth about the Sustainable Development Goals. Investing in education will not only develop the economy and the people, but also produce an educated public that can recognize the urgency to fight against climate change and global warming. In spite of that, the LDCs will not have enough financial resources to enhance the quality of education. One solution here is that LDCs can charge a certain amount of fees to the companies that build the factories in the nations to support the public education, but at the same time, have a way to improve their economy. Also, we should invigorate the least developed countries to take advantage of the Paris Agreement, seeking for help and support around the globe. We are in an emergency, but also we have a solution. By helping each other, we will grow together. Now it is time to take action. Invest into education. That will make a difference. Give our future generation a chance. Thank you.
I really like your speech. The idea is it's clear, easy to understand. It's organized well. I have one question though. You say investing in education is the key here, right? We want to invest in education. Will not only develop the economy and the people, will also produce an educated people who can recognize the urgency and fight against climate change and global warming. Okay, so investing in education is key. So when a country invests in something, they have to allocate money to that, right? They have to give resources to that. What would they take away from?
So the one solution I thought about is that least developed countries, some big major companies will normally build up factories in the country, right? So then they can maybe charge a certain amount of fee that could support the public education, but like at the same time, they will have the way to improve their economy.
Okay, so like from foreign factories going into the new, okay. Cool answer.